We've all been told the importance of having a solid plan. In business schools, workshops, and countless books, the message is clear. Meticulous planning is the key to success. Create a detailed roadmap, anticipate every obstacle, and follow the script to the letter. Sounds foolproof, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. Over-planning can be just as detrimental as not planning at all. Starting a business isn't like following a recipe where precise measurements guarantee the perfect dish. It's more like embarking on a voyage into uncharted waters. You can plot your course, study the stars, and pack all the right supplies. But once you're out at sea, the winds can change without warning. Storms appear on the horizon, currents pull you off course, and suddenly your meticulously planned journey looks nothing like you envisioned. Overplanning can become a comfortable trap, a way to delay action under the guise of preparation. You spend so much time perfecting the plan that you never actually set sail. The fear of the unknown keeps you anchored, tweaking and refining a plan that, in reality, will be obsolete the moment it meets the real world. Consider the tech industry giants who started with a simple idea and a willingness to adapt. When Instagram was created, it wasn't the result of years of planning a photo-sharing app. It began as Bourbon, a location-based check-in app with a confusing array of features. The founders noticed users were primarily using it to share photos, so they stripped away all the excess and focused solely on photo sharing. Had they rigidly stuck to their original plan, Instagram as we know it wouldn't exist. On the flip side, think about companies that spent years developing the perfect product in secrecy, only to launch and discover the market had moved on, or worse, that their solution didn't address a real need. Their downfall wasn't a lack of planning, it was an inability to adapt. The marketplace is a living, breathing entity. It's influenced by ever-changing consumer preferences, technological advancements, and global events. No plan, no matter how detailed, can account for every variable. Rigid adherence to a plan can blind you to opportunities and threats that emerge along the way. So what's more valuable than a perfect plan? Flexibility, adaptability, the willingness to iterate and pivot when necessary. Here are some steps to embrace flexibility over overplanning. 1. Set clear goals, but be flexible on how to achieve them. Know where you want to go, but be open to different paths that might get you there. 2. Start small and iterate. Launch with a minimum viable product or service. 2. Gather feedback, learn from it, and make improvements. 2. This approach allows you to adapt to real-world conditions rather than hypothetical scenarios. 3. Embrace uncertainty. Accept that you can't control everything. 3. Instead of fearing the unknown, view it as a space for possibilities and innovation. 4. Stay alert and responsive. Keep a pulse on market trends, customer feedback, and industry shifts. 4. Use this information to adjust your strategies in real time. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. See challenges and setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, not as failures that derail your plan. Remember, action beats inaction every time. An imperfect plan executed today is better than a perfect plan that never leaves the paper. The entrepreneurial journey is messy, unpredictable, and full of surprises. That's what makes it exciting and ultimately rewarding. Let go of the myth that there's a perfect plan ensuring guaranteed success. Instead, focus on being adaptable, responsive, and willing to change course when necessary. Your ability to navigate the unexpected will be the true determinant of your success. So stop obsessing over every detail. Trust yourself, take that leap, and be ready to adjust your sails as you go. The winds of entrepreneurship are always changing. It's up to you to catch them.